局叶局长、周副局长，还有我们的访视委员，还有我们前任文化局叶局长、新营区魏区长，以及今天我们来自斯洛伐克还有马绍尔群岛的国际的贵宾，今天与会的我们各位贵宾，各位乡亲，大家晚安，大家好。
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
外国人。
我讲很久了，只有2句。
我回补，我们时间要紧，我请市长多嘴。
今天我们非常高兴，这为期9天的南宁国际艺术节，我们在今天举办这个闭幕。那这9天来，我们要感谢我们来自17个国家，33个团队的一个表演出，带给我们非常丰富的心灵跟视觉，还有震撼的一个飨宴。我们是不是再次的用热烈的掌声来感谢这30几个团队在这34场这9天里面34场非常精彩的演出，我们用热烈的掌声谢谢他们。
Ladies and gentlemen, 33 teams, 17 countries, another big round of applause. Thank them for bringing us such amazing performances in the 9th day of the Nanning International Folklore Festival.
我想这一段时间这么多丰富精彩的演出，带给我们市民完全不一样的感受，也开阔了我们的眼界。那我想也通过这样的演出，我们了解每个国家珍惜它的文化资产，珍惜它重要的这个文化宝贵的这些舞蹈、这些民俗，也让我们更体会到珍惜自己的文化的重要性。
And from the performances brought to you by so many different countries over the 9 days, we really understand and realize how other countries are doing their best to protect and reserve their cultural heritage and also traditional dances and also their cultural heritages. And that also reminds us, the China City government, we also have to do better. There's a lot for us to do to preserve our cultural heritage.
我们在这9天里面看到有来自马绍尔群岛、来自海地、来自斯洛伐克、来自意大利，非常精彩的演出。那我们看到每个都是以各自国家、各自的文化、民俗的特色来展现给全世界知道。
And we see the performances from the Marshall Islands, from Slovakia, from Haiti, from Italy, and we really can feel the best from their culture. And they are really trying their best to put out the best performances to the local audiences in Tainan.
那我们也看到来自日本、来自韩国、来自蒙古非常精彩的表演。那我们看到可以把这样的一个文化，就在我们邻近的国家，可以把这样的文化用这么丰富、这么快乐、这么精彩的方式来呈现跟表演。
We also see some very happy and very significant performances from neighboring countries, including Japan, Korea, and Mongolia, that really opens our eyes.
那我想，其实我们自己在开幕，还有我们在整个这9天里面，我们台湾、我们台南的表演团队也毫不逊色。我们原住民的这个表演，我们有民俗的阵头的表演，我想也都一样带给外国的朋友一个非常震撼，还有丰富这个视觉、听觉的一个体验。
And here I would also like to point out, I would like to give props to all the local teams here in Taiwan. They are doing a great job. They put out great shows. They are no less than our peers from other countries.
所以让我们在这里进一步的体会到，好好保存我们本土，包括原住民的文化，我们本土的传统的文化，把它发扬光大的一个重要性。
And once again, we realize the importance of protecting the local and traditional cultures of our traditional peoples and also Aboriginal people. We really have to take it to the next level.
那么这次也要感谢我们有来自台南 78个民间的社团，或是民间的公司，甚至是个人，愿意投入这一次的接待的一个团队，让我们这些远道而来的朋友有宾至如归的感受，也感受到我们南台湾的热情。
And special thanks also go to 70 teams of private sector representatives and also individuals for hosting the international event to make them feel like home here in Thailand and make them feel that it's a celebration.
我们也要再次的感谢我们文化部在经费上给我们的支持跟支援。我们也希望未来能够这样的活动能够办得更盛大，更具国际化，更让民众有所感受。
I would also like to thank the Ministry of Culture for granting the funding to support the Nanyang International Folklore Festival. We want to make it bigger, we want to make it more